You've seen it 1,000 times. But the moon hides secrets you've never heard. Here are 10 facts that will change the way you look at our closest neighbor. Fact 1. Every year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches farther from Earth. In a few hundred million years, it will no longer cause total solar eclipses. Fact 2. The moon experiences quakes. The strongest have reached magnitude 5 on the Richter scale, enough to rattle furniture if they happened here. Fact 3. The moon is slightly squashed, shaped more like an egg, with the larger end pointing toward Earth. Fact 4. The moon rotates so the same side always faces us, called tidal locking. The far side remained unseen until 1959. Fact 5. The moon has an extremely thin atmosphere, called an exosphere, containing helium, sodium, and traces of water vapor. Fact 6. Over 3 billion years ago, molten lava flooded parts of the moon, creating the dark patches we now call Lunar Maria. Fact 7. One lunar day lasts about 29.5 Earth days. 2 weeks of sunlight followed by 2 weeks of darkness. Fact 8. Temperatures swing from 260 degrees Fahrenheit in sunlight to minus 280 degrees in darkness. Fact 9. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 that of Earth. A 180-pound person would weigh just 30 pounds there. Fact 10. The moon's gravity stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our climate steady and driving ocean tides, both critical for life's evolution. So next time you see the moon, remember, it's more than just a glowing light in the night sky. Which fact surprised you most? This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity, one fact at a time.